Yeah, because I heard, you know what I mean? It fits the whole ways on her. It's like running a wrench like this.
Oh, yeah.
I figured we took the seat out. The guy burned his knuckles on the carpet.
Yeah, that's ass leaving.
Careful, huh?
Kyle's going to be jealous.
I know.
We're rekeying a key to fit an old key that I had.
Yeah.
The locksmith.
I took John down to Central State.
His name's Craig, the locksmith.
And they took the Z. Well, I was out there when John was climbing in the pasture. So
We'll just take a real quick look at him. Okay. He didn't run his picture shown.
John's old farm. Cow hit the road there. I bet John's crawling to get the hell out of there right now.
Did you ever see John driving?
Oh, yeah. That's some guys you just look out the pasture. I ride with my sister. I got a stiff neck if we go too far because I just look out the pasture. I don't want to know what's coming. And if I start to see the mirror disappear, I know we're getting too far to the side. So I'm going to drive. I tell her all the time. She gets mad. I look all over the place and I'm all over the road. No, I don't. You know what I mean? She's looking at the freaking road.
And she's all over the road.
We went to see a motorcycle yesterday. I'm like 40, I don't know how old she is, 40-some years old.
Same about buying bikes.
Yeah, this summer she went and took her got her license and everything. And I said to her, I said, I would have thought a Rebel or something like that on that line, you know. Oh no, we're going to 1,100. You're going to wrap it around a pole, you might as well, you know, wrap it. No sense. She weighs about 115, 120 pounds. Low strong, she looks at me. Then my dad said, she have that kind of money? I said, no, she figures you do.
It's called inheritance, Dad.
We got a bad pin there, Joe.
Yeah, it's called inheritance.
So how long until we figure out?
Is it the key or?
The key is bad.
How about the other key?
Even worse.
Well,
Or didn't you take it back?
yeah, I took it back, but you let me high and dry there, buddy, because
How you doing?
I got the whole rig. It says you can just wind.
See that red pin? It's sticking up.
Not a whole lot.
I never looked at
All mine are sealing up.
it. Everyone I ever borrowed or used, it was on that freaking.
I don't.
They changed the size of the
On
pins
the rig,
Yeah.
but I don't know if you can wind
to match the old key.
Now you'll take the red pin and file it.
Hold it to that aluminum plate. Right? That's what I thought too. Because where I went. That's what they use.
Little tight. Little tight. Works.
Once they clean the whole shit off,
It'll wear in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wires going off and blood in my shed. Really? I said, hell yes.
Now, see, I'd have been able to post this right away, but I have to cut that one part
that
out.
He
is
says,
good.
we're not in the old guys. I said, I don't know, buddy. That's what I'm calling for. We're not in the old guys.
Actually, if they hear that
Somebody
word,
knew
they
it.
go over it. And if they hear anything...
Get it toasted, and we got shredded cheese on it.
Oh, we're good. Thank you.
Yep.
One's done.
Well, that was one. We're heading for the other one. Same thing, only different.